How to swap Toncoin to USDT on Tonkeeper Wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Tonkeeper wallet and sign in with your Face ID or passcode. Now once you are in order to swap your Toncoin to USDT, you're just gonna need to click on the swap, which is the buy and sell option on the left. Now once you click that, this is going to open up a new window. Just like any other traditional token swapper, you will have two options of send and receive. In the receive, simply select your USDT. Now once you have selected that, you're just gonna need to enter the amount. Make sure to select the slippage settings. Slippage refers to the deviation between the expected and actual execution price of a trade. It occurs when the bid or ask spread changes between the time a market order is requested and when it is executed by an exchange or other market maker. Now there are further categories, but you're just gonna need to select accordingly and then click on the confirmation. Then you will be able to swap your Toncoin to USDT just like so. Hope this helped. This is how you can swap USDT from Toncoin on Tonkeeper Wallet.